Assalamu alaikum and welcome to AKA Fighter Jet Force. Today, we'll be discussing Pakistan's drone program in 2025. How many UAVs were inducted, what types were added to the fleet, and what loitering munitions are being introduced. So let's dive right into the latest updates. In 2025, Pakistan has made significant advancements in its drone technology and induction plans. Both the Pakistan Army and Air Force have accelerated efforts to enhance their unmanned aerial capabilities. This year, a total of 5 new drones were officially inducted into active service. The key additions include 1. Shapar 2, an indigenous ISR drone developed by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. It's being actively used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and border monitoring. It has an endurance of approximately 14 hours. 2. Barak UCAV. While this combat drone has been in service for some time, its upgraded variant was inducted in 2025 with enhanced payload capacity and precision strike capability using an advanced targeting system. 3. Bayraktar TB2. The well-known Turkish drone has been inducted in greater numbers. It is actively used in counterinsurgency and cross-border surveillance missions. 4. WJ700. A high-end Chinese UCAV with long-range strike capabilities. It officially entered Pakistan's inventory this year. 5. Mini tactical UAVs. These small, spy drones, have been deployed with infantry units for close-range battlefield support and real-time intelligence. Now let's talk about loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones. These drones hover over a target zone and self-destruct upon impact, making them ideal for precision strike missions. As per the 2025 roadmap, Pakistan has initiated several developments. Local production of Zajal loitering munition is now underway. It's a short-range, tactical kamikaze drone. An agreement with China has been finalized for CH-901 loitering munitions, which are expected to be inducted by the end of 2025. In addition, Turkey and Pakistan are entering deeper collaboration on loitering drone technology, with discussions for joint production in the near future. Pakistan is now focusing not just on surveillance UAVs but on a hybrid force of armed drones and kamikaze UAVs. This is a battlefield transforming capability that could pose a serious challenge to regional adversaries like India. According to defense analysts, Pakistan could have over 200 operational drones by 2026, with around 30% of them being armed UAVs and loitering munitions. So that was a detailed look into Pakistan's 2025 drone and loitering munition induction plans. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AKA Fighter Jet Force. What are your thoughts on the future of Pakistan's drone fleet? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay tuned, and Pakistan Zindabad. Airplane.